If you want to add text to a photo on Realme 14T, then first of all we're gonna go to the Photos app. I'm gonna use the Photos app made by Realme, not the one that was made by Google. Now over here we can select the photo that we want to edit, and then just press edit button at the bottom of the screen. Now over here we need to find the markup, sorry, not markup, the text option actually. Over here we have our text field, which we can move around. We can tap over here in order to write the text. There we go. Of course, we can change the size by grabbing by these arrows. We can also rotate by starting holding this circle with the arrow. And of course, like I said, we can change the position and so on. Really intuitive to use. We can change the color of the text, we can make the text bold, and we can also fill the whole text field with the selected color like that. And then once you are done, just press done over here in the bottom right corner, and of course we want to save copy in order to keep the original photo, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.